Hi, Burke Watts with Helitech here today to talk to you about our 3 different sump pits and sump pump systems that we have available for you as a homeowner to take care of the water needs in your basement and crawl space. The first one we want to talk about is our S1 sump pump system. The S1 comes in a 17-inch diameter by 24-inch deep sump pit. It has a 3rd horsepower submersible sump pump inside of it. The sump pump itself has a connected float for easy on-off operation based on the water level of your sump pit. So as water comes into the pit, the float will automatically activate and remove the water through your discharge pipe that we take out away from your home. All of the lids have secure attachments at the top and bolt into place. So you no longer have to worry about debris, a kid's Matchbox car, or a sock from the washing machine falling in and causing problems with your pump. The S1 3rd horsepower sump pump will move 58 gallons per minute at 5 feet of head pressure. That's a tremendous amount of water to be able to evacuate and get out of your home and make sure to keep your basement dry. The standard S1 pit and pump system is what is most commonly used in a crawl space situation because of the easy access with the smaller pit. So to finish up here today, the main question that you're probably wondering is, why choose one of our pump systems over something you can go buy at a box store right off the shelf? Well, if you do a comparison on your own, you won't find any pump system that has a higher gallons per minute flow rate or a better warranty that comes with it, because all Helitech pump systems come with a 5-year parts and labor warranty on them. Thanks for watching, and thank you for giving Helitech a chance to truly heal your home.